How you going, blubbers? It's the 25th of January. I don't know what time it is, sometime in the afternoon. But we've just been hit with a storm. Today was 34 degrees out there and it was fucking humid as fuck. Now, I'm in my fucking vehicle, Michelle, and it's hail. There's hail hitting the car. Mate, Chad, check this shit out. Woo, yeah! Skate carpet, man! Oh, man. Luckily, I told these lovely people from the older country, England, to watch the sky. Because, yeah, it's pretty now. There's a lot of rain. And as I said, I don't mind the rain. Put my awning up. The wind blew it now. Anyway, there's nothing for a bloke to do but travel tips and go like this. Buy a fridge. Have it powered. Possibly have a couple of beers. And look outside. Whoa, yeah. The Northern River.